I think this is, oh well, yeah. This is the first time in a while I've seen some good lightning at this time that's not like almost 3 in the morning. Like, I saw one over here earlier that was like nice looking, although I haven't seen another one like that since, but maybe we'll see something like that. Definitely a bit humid out here. Like, I mean, it is humid. Bugs out here. You're gonna a lot of cicadas too. Well, maybe not. I don't know how many cicadas are out here, but they are making noise though. Okay, I don't think I saw anything that way, but I have seen a lot over here though. That's for sure. Although I do wonder if oh wow. I panned away as soon as that was going, but I do wonder if there was any lightning over this way, which I haven't really seen much. But it's the case of what I missed over that way, just like I did over here. Although it does seem like most of the convection is out towards the northwest, so maybe not like right here, but definitely, I mean, the lightning go pretty far. Bugs flying past my face. There's a lot of bugs out there.